Hi guys, welcome back. Let's design a certificate in Microsoft Word, a Word document editing program. This is an A4 paper or workspace. To change the orientation so that it's horizontal, like in most of the certificates, go to design, layout, and then change the orientation to landscape so that you can change the color of the page. Go to design and then click on this one, change the color to, let's say, light blue, just like this. And then when you're done, you can actually create a rectangle. Click insert, click on shapes, click on this one, and then afterwards simply, make this area just like this, and then adjust the size. And then if you want the fill to go away, go under and then click on no fill, and then change the outline to let's say head over to dashes, and then let's say if we want to have this, alright, maybe this will do. And then you can even change the weight of the outlines. Go to shape outline and then weight, just like this, and then copy and paste it several times, just until you get the frame that you want, just like this. You can even insert random shapes so that the shapes can actually decorate the certificate. To do this, go to insert, shapes. This will do. This right triangle would do. So create it from here. Hold the shift key so that the length of the sides are equal, and then you rotate it by dragging this one so that it goes here. Hold the shift key so that it's actually 90 degrees, just like so. And then you can even change the color of the right triangle to this maybe. And then you can copy and paste it several times, and then you can actually make a random design. For example, I want several right triangles to complete the certificate design. Go to shapes and then click on the parallelogram icon, just like this. And then let's say if you want to actually have these parallelograms to go above the frame, just like this. And then go to the shape, and then click on shape format, and then change the fill to this, and then remove the outlines by clicking on this one, and then click on no outline. And then you can copy it several times. Hit the shift key so that the shape won't be messed up, just like this. Alright, create the design the way you like it. And then when you're done with the design, all you have to do is to click on insert, and then shapes, and then click on this one. This is the text box. So let's say if we add a random name of an institution, and then you make the fill disappear, and then the outlines to disappear as well. And then afterwards go to home, set the alignment to center, and then you simply make it large. University of just a random name, actually, just like this. And then we can add another text box. Copy and paste this, and then centerize it, just like so. Same goes here, centerize it, and then type in certificate of merit, just like this. Then you can change the font type to a bolder one, increase the size, just like this. And then you can even add some outlines. Go to insert, shapes, and then you can put random random squares, just like this. Make the outlines disappear. Then when it's done, you can copy and paste it again. And then let's say if we put it here, and then we simply do some resizing, just like this. Once you're done, you can add another text box. So click on insert, shapes, and then click on this one. And then you can actually type things. For example, this is to certify. No, let the fill go away, and then let the outlines go away as well, and then type anything. For example, this is to certify that underscores. You can actually go to home, and then you increase the font size to this. This is to certify that son, daughter, or wife of, type in underscores, and then type has been awarded underscore 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 underscore. And then you can actually make more text boxes, copy and paste it. No, the text box, copy and paste this, and then afterwards centerize it just like this, and then you can insert appeared from, and then you can add some the underline just like this. And then you can create another text box. Select this one, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste it, and then all you do is to centerize it, and then afterwards you can type during the period of, you insert the date here, to this with the grade of this. This certificate was awarded on January 7th, 2025, just like this. And then you centerize the text. Select them all, hit here, center, or Control E, and then you can adjust the line spacing to, let's say, this. And then you're done creating this simple certificate of merit using Microsoft Word. You can make it neat by selecting this in the text box and then click here, and then it's neat just like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.